We'll guide you through how to use Dropbox Paper, a great tool for collaborative document editing and organization. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the left-hand sidebar and click on Paper, which will take you to your Paper dashboard. Here, you can create a new document by clicking on the blue Create New Doc button at the top. This opens a blank document where you can start typing your content. Dropbox Paper offers a minimalistic interface with a focus on collaboration, so you can easily invite team members to your document by clicking on the Share button in the top right corner. Enter their email addresses and set the permissions to either view or edit. As you work, you can add text, images, and even embed media like YouTube videos or SoundCloud tracks directly into your document. For text formatting, use the toolbar that appears when you highlight text. You can add headings, bullet points, and even create checklists to manage tasks within your document. To organize your documents, use the Folders feature on the left sidebar. Just click Create New Folder, give it a name, and start dragging your documents into it. This helps keep your workspace tidy and makes it easier to find what you need later. If you want to track changes or revert to a previous version, Dropbox Paper automatically saves versions. Just click on the clock icon at the top of the document to see the document history. You can restore any previous version if needed. Finally, don't forget that Dropbox Paper integrates seamlessly with other Dropbox files, allowing you to link documents and keep everything connected. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.